Hello everyone, Shriram Kumar here. I have two good close friends who want to wear the same color of shirt today because they are pretty close friends and they work together for PMP. It is these things we have seen only in school and college days where they read for engineering together or write the bit paper together. These all happen. In PMP, it is something little interesting because leadership learning, each brain works in different format. You cannot tell both the brain should think same. Two leader may not be the same. Two leader will be different way. But again, when it comes to subject, it's the same subject, right? You can read together. So I respect the values Sridhar and Ramesh shared with each other, and they're able to learn well and get themselves PMP certified. So first of all, congratulations for your good friendship and congratulations for this great success together.
Thank you. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sriram.
Thank you, Sriram.
Great. So when we say that, we have to see the certificate also, right? So we will see Sridhar, who got certified senior technical lead, right? He's going to talk a little about his profession sometime. Now let's see his certificate. He got certified on 24th of December, hardly 4 days back. Today we are on 28th. So that's Sridhar. And then we have Ramesh here, senior technical lead, functional safety engineer. And when he got certified, same 24. Okay, that's friendship, right? Same day. If I want to jump, you should also should jump. That's about friendship. We do in colleges, right? We bunk the class. We don't want our friend to sit in the class. We ask, hey, come on, what you are doing there? I remember sometime in the exam hall, we write, it's a 3 hours exam in college. We will write 2 hours. More than that, nothing will be there. We'll come out. When you go to next hall, we will see our friend keep writing there. We'll be throwing stones on them. Hey, come on, man. When we are not writing what you are doing there. Come on. Okay.
Yeah.
Now let's listen to both of you. What is your profession and what kind of job you do and how you guys become such a good friends, right? Let's start listening from you.
Yeah, yes, Sriram. So we work for the Mercedes-Benz, so it's the car industry and the car company, and we both work in the car electronics department. So our job is mainly to probably create the software and also the electronics for the car, and then make sure that the car or the truck runs perfectly.
Wow, you are in Benz, yeah. We all want to buy the Benz. You guys are in the company of Benz itself.
Yeah.
Yes.
So do they give a bonus as a car?
Mm, sometime.
No, no.
Maybe the logo.
Yeah, but for the senior management, do get the cars for the usage.
Cars. Yeah.
Okay, what's the procedure for applying to senior management? That's great. It's you people are in a technical line. Also, you do the managerial activity. What kind of nature job?
Yeah, it is probably a kind of middle, it's probably junior management level, we could call it as.
Oh,
This is the level where we transition from the technical to the managerial path.
ah,
So,
Yeah, exactly.
stepping area. How you people got the interest towards PMP? Do anybody talk about this in your corporate?
yeah,
Yes, yes,
Sriram, there were
Sriram.
some people
So,
who were certified already. We were aware of them talking about it sometimes. And sometimes we were aware of they talking some jargons which normally normal people cannot understand. That's pretty interesting as well. So probably that we call it as a talking in a managerial way or managerial style. So there were some
Oh,
learnings from everybody.
yeah, yeah. Ramesh, want to say something? Yes, Ramesh.
yeah, yes, Sriram. So, yeah, we know from our friends and then seniors, there were many people, also our managers. We have seen those who have already done PMP and they were able to do good things as a manager. So, we gone through that and then we were inspired so that we also want to do and then have a professional degree to say that we have a better management skills.
Great. Super, super. So how you both spend time in learning? Is it you spend reading time together or discussion time together? How do you guys spend time?
Actually, our discussion we started since 1 year ago, or maybe 1 or 2 years ago. We were every now and then we were thinking we have to do PMP, we have to do PMP. Okay, we will go through some website. Okay, let us start. Oh, okay, maybe again later. I have some work now. He has some work some other time, so we were not getting sync. At least since last 5-6 months, we were little serious. We started going through different websites like Udemy and a Plural site, all these things. But we were interested in finding a training institute where we get more interactions. We were not in very much into the recorded sessions. We were not so happy with the recorded sessions. So we wanted live interaction wherein if something is asked, we want the trainer also to help us and give feedback and how everything is going on. So for that, we were looking for. And November first week, we came through your link in the LinkedIn, and then we both discussed and then suddenly joined it together.
But you guys know that it is a last minute rush.
Yeah.
We did know actually. So we just thought it was one Friday evening. We were surfing and then we found this link and then we talked to Rahul and then came to know this is the last minute and we were just like night 9 o'clock and next day tomorrow morning 9 o'clock the class is going to start. We were like we didn't have time to discuss and then think also. So we were just like, okay, let's join. We have to finish anyhow. We cannot postpone it anymore. Let us start. So we just discussed and then 5-10 minutes we both have started and then next day we were in the class.
It's something like tomorrow morning marriage for you. What?
Yeah.
I
Yeah.
appreciate you guys, man, because picking up in the last month and with the crash course, usually you need some digestion time, right? And I appreciate you people. Not only you both, I have few more people who cleared, who came from the November batch, and they picked up like that. That the fire was there. One reason I understood why the fire is a date is set. Earlier days,
Correct.
I used to request every candidate, please set a date. This time, PMI set the date. So
Correct.
everybody started running.
Yeah. Yeah. Because
Very
the moment you saw the goal, you will be automatically motivated to achieve it.
perfectly. So, which book or things you people you both have felt this is good to read?
So we both have initially started with PMBOK, but then it was like maybe for me it was like a little dry. So then with your classes,
Totally dry only.
then I mean it was good to read, but then nothing was going inside. We were reading everything like it was okay. What's next? But then through your classes, we came to know about this Rita's book, and then we also know it previously, but then didn't look into
Yeah,
clear deep inside. But with your suggestions, we started this book, and then it was like pretty clear for us with all the examples, and then a lot of coursework, and year end, chapter end examples, and then the questionnaire. That was pretty good for us.
perfect, great. So you both stays in which city? You both are.
Actually, we both are from Andhra Pradesh. We both are in different cities. I'm from Nellore, and then Sridhar is from Kadapa. But we both work in Mercedes-Benz, and we are in Bangalore. But
Oh,
due to this pandemic, we are at our natives currently.
uh-huh.
So we synced up virtually.
That's what I want to ask you. Are you people in same city to talk to each other, understand the concepts, or you utilize more of phone calls and Zoom calls?
Yeah, it's more of Zoom calls.
Very good, fantastic. You guys use it very well.
Yeah. The
Yep.
normal preparation, the studying and everything we did independently more or less.
Mhm.
But mainly the examinations, the PMI exam and also the prepcast exam and discussions after that.
That's nice, man. I think
We
we
did together because when we see the question, yeah,
go ahead.
Shriram. Yeah, when we see the question and when we are not able to identify the correct answer, or
Uh,
when we have two answers which seems to be correct, that's where I think we needed more of a discussion. So that's where we participated in most of the discussions. Almost for the PMI exam, we together were in Zoom calls for almost 6 hours in that day. So only discussing so like why this answer is correct, why not the other one.
no argument will happen. Argument, fight.
So usually what we do is first we each other we show whatever the question we got wrong. Maybe from my side, I will show this is the question. Tell me the answer first. I will not tell him the answer, or I made it wrong. So I will ask him what is the answer. If he tells correct answer, okay, then explain. If he tells wrong answer, most of the times it will be correct answer from his side. But then I will ask, okay, no, I don't think this is correct answer. The correct answer should be the different one. Think properly in this way. Then he will think, yeah, that might be, but then I think this way. Then I will show the answer. Then he will say, no, man, you are trying to confusing me. I was correct. So it was like we were challenging each other every time.
Nice.
So how what was my mistake? So I was trying to understand from his side how he's thinking, and then we were doing it most of the times in similar pattern.
Perfect. I think that makes really interesting, right? When you challenge, you learn faster.
Yeah. Because if we see the answer, sometimes we understand. Yeah, that way we try to explain. So usually we see, okay, this is the wrong question I have done. So how other person is trying to interpret. So that's what I was trying to learn, and then have a good discussion with Sridhar.
Sounds good. So how was last 1 week for both of you? Last Haribari, there's a push there. Last 1 week of the exam.
So we started first with this PMP from PMI, the PMI PMP test. It was like, okay, some 60% I got, and then not so confident. So then we both thought like, okay, let us start with a prepcast. Then we started with prepcast, and then initially my scores were 72 in that range, and Sridhar also, I think he got first one as 83%. Then I got a little bit jealous. So why I was not getting it in a good way, then I started reading more and more, and then started discussing with Sridhar, and then trying to get some inputs from him. That really helped me. And then we started. One day we will do exam. Next day we start syncing up, and then discussing how the exam went, and then what were the wrong answers. That's how we were trying in last 1 week. Like we were like, yeah, there is only 1 week. How we would do everything, and then so many exams to do and so many practice tests. But we could do everything in the last 1 week.
Perfect. Great. So now, what mode of exam you went? Center-based, online?
It's the center-based. So we both reserved the center-based exam, and the date also we fixed during our class itself. So we decided on that day we are going for the exam that to center-based. So there is no change on that.
Wow.
And fortunately, in the examination center also, we both were sitting almost side by side. There is only one guy sitting between us. There is a GMAT guy. Other than that person who is writing GMAT, we both were side by side in the examination as well.
Yeah. Did you guys help a question number 1? What's the answer?
Not possible, no.
Even if you do the help, your question number 1, his question number 1 will be different.
Yeah.
First of all, you can't do that. That's against the
Correct.
Yeah. But again, it's really good. Yeah, as a good friend, you guys are a great support to each other. See, this kind of challenging exams, more than the knowledge, the moral support is very important. Yes. After 10-15 years of our academic life, we don't want to fail. That puts us down in front of our family members, our friends. That's the reason many people hide the PMP. They keep it as a secret agenda, right? Like a girlfriend, boyfriend is hidden somewhere. Now, but when you do that, sometimes you don't know whom to ask question. You feel a little shy. How can I ask this, man? What if the guy will think I don't even know this basic stuff? So the moral support is very important. I respect some friends reading together or getting friends because of the reading habit. It's a really great thing. You may not realize it, but what you guys did is a great job. The moral support each other gave, and you went to exam together. You don't feel it as an exam at all. You just like that went you as a movie watch you did and came out. Is it so?
Yeah, it was more or less like that actually. It was small vacation for us, half-day vacation for us, kind of.
See, check out somebody who learned everything all alone and went to the exam and came back. They'll be almost clear the exam, man. It's because you need that support. It's very important. I think the nature what you had both is really great. Now give some hint about the exam. How was the exam questions?
Okay,
now start.
Yeah. So we both booked the slot, and then it was like 10 a.m. on 24th Thursday. So we both went together, and then first Sridhar started, and then I started. The first 89 questions seemed a little bit difficult for me. More of the questions were like a little bit lengthy, but not all. And some questions were like a pretty plain. I didn't think there something like a there was no like a real concept. Then I got like little doubtful. How come the question can be that simple? Did I read the question correctly? I started reading it twice or thrice. Because it looked very simple and straightforward. I can't imagine that easy question couple of times. Maybe the pattern was something like to cool the candidate initially or something like that. I don't know. Then the real questions started coming up, and then my first break around 89 questions, I spent almost 120 to 130 minutes, and then I understood, okay, I'm in a good shape, so I'm able to do. And then I took the break, and then I was so tensed by that time, so was thirsty and then hungry. So came back, and then in the break had some water and then chocolate, and then went fresh.
You took chocolate.
Yes, yes.
What chocolate do you had?
Snickers.
Okay, let's listen to Sridhar. Sridhar, you got chocolate. He ate everything which I had
No,
for you.
I didn't eat any chocolates. I just had water and then went inside.
So you confirm that only after completing exam I'll eat chocolate. Okay, okay. Did you take breaks, Sridhar, like Ramesh did? I mean, exactly 1.5 hours sometime.
Yes, Sriram. So I took almost 125 minutes for completing 89 questions. Yeah, I felt the first half was really tough for me, and
Oh.
many questions in the project, in especially in the initiation stage.
Ah.
Probably the project charter, business case, and benefit management plan. There, the questions were really tricky. At least I felt so. What happened is when you explained in the class, normally the initiation and closure, most of the people will get probably on target or a little below target. So thinking that I studied a little more on that, thinking I should get it above target. But in the exam, it so happened that every question seemed tricky for me in the initiation phase.
They found it. They found it. It's Sridhar, man. Come on. Let's
Yeah, so it took more time than what I really felt, because in the prepcast I was completing the exam more or less by 3 hours time, the
Wow.
complete 200 questions. So with the same confidence I was there, but yeah, it took more time than what I felt. And after the break, yeah, it went a little cool, and probably the questions were also easy, looks like.
Mm.
And other than the initiation phase, the other phases, the questions were easy. Other knowledge areas were also a little straightforward itself,
Good,
not
good.
much to worry about. And there were some hardly 2 to 3 questions on the EVM, not complicated. Only by looking at that we can tell the answer probably.
Very good.
Only 1 or 2 questions on the critical path, very easy ones.
Very
And
good.
otherwise, yeah, the second half went really smooth. And half an hour before I completed the exam, and I marked only 12 questions in the second half.
Mm.
But
Mm.
in the first half, for 89 questions, I marked a total 32 questions.
Ah,
I
okay.
had to revisit those 32 a lot in the first half, but second half only 12 to 13 questions were marked.
That's
I
too
looked
much.
at those in 10 minutes.
32 questions is too much. Lot of questions
Yeah,
you need.
yeah, but I think I revisited 2 times all the marked questions because I
Mm.
was like doubting every question there.
Okay. Good. You managed the time very well. After doing all this, still you completed 3.5 hours means
Yeah,
pretty decent deal what you did.
yeah. And then I did not wait to put the submit button anyway. As I was seeing in your other YouTube videos, so you were always, people were always saying, "Congratulations will come in very low font," something like that.
Very
In
small
all the
font.
videos, I was hearing that statements actually. I was not ready to wait for that anymore. So I pressed submit and I got it. Like I told you before, so it was like, oh, clear. Do you want a laddu? One laddu you want, something like that. I was very happy, and just came out from there. The person gave me the mark sheet as well, the final score sheet as well, the proctor over there, and it looked like all the scores were really good. So I thought, yeah, do you want one more laddu, Sridhar? And then I came out and had the chocolate anyway. But
That's
really surprising because I saw the questions were really complex and I will not be able to do it in this way anyway.
no,
But it
you
was
took
surprise for
to
me as well at the
analyze.
end.
You took time to analyze, right? I believe that
Yeah.
could have been a game changer. But there is a risk here,
Hmm.
Sometimes our instinct, our brain will choose the right answer in the first shot. When you go for review and change it, that can be a wrong answer. Some of them get into trouble. Your first instinct may be correct. So anyway, you did a good job. I appreciate that. Let's
Thank
listen
you.
to Ramesh. What happened?
Yeah. So it was in a little bit reverse way for me. So for me, first 89 was like a little bit easier, and I had a chocolate, and then I was little cool. Then for me, it started little bit of bigger questions, and then bigger in size with 3-4 lines. Started the first 4-5 questions. I got little bit scared, but it was okay. More of the questions for me was on like stakeholder engagement, and then communication. So these two are little kind of confusing me. More of like two options were very easy to eliminate. The other two options were like a pretty close, whether I have to choose it from the communication side or it was from the stakeholder engagement. That was very important for me to analyze. Once
Okay.
I got through, and then a couple of questions, I started getting into the mood, and then it was like all good. And I didn't had any questions with calculations. I didn't open the calculator at all. I had a couple of questions on CPI and then SPI. So based on that, and then one or two questions on critical path calculation, and almost 8 to 10 questions on agile. Yeah, which I think it was a little bit. I think we came to know in the last recent discussions with you, and also with people who are writing on the last exams. So we were not expecting so many agile, but then because of the recent information from the other members, then we started a little bit into agile, and then those were like straightforward. So it was good.
Should be simple questions, but I think slowly they're increasing it. In the month of June, July, August, people started seeing 15 to 20 questions in Agile. And I don't know what happened. They totally stopped at zero. Again, slowly they started. Anyway, in another 4 days, they'll drill it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know PMI, right? They will not ask a simple agile question at all. So now what you had is only in the hotel they give puppet as a start. So that puppet you guys got it. The real masala feel will come only from January 2nd. Anyway, good. You people did a good job, and even though it's a last minute learning,
Hmm.
great job. Good. So how is it, Ramesh, for you? You waited till 4 hours?
I had, as I said, second half was a little bit difficult for me, but I could finish everything just 10 minutes before, or 10 to 15 minutes before. So I had almost 15 minutes to review all my questions, and I had marked almost 15 questions in the second half, and then I reviewed all of them, and just on the last 1 minute, I could complete my review, and then I just submitted it. And then I think somewhere I saw in one of your presentations, there was a circle with a percentage on above target, below target. I was searching for that, and then I realized it was not there. Then I started reading. Then the first word was congratulations. Okay. Now I remember the congratulations will come in small font. That sentence I remembered. And then I was so happy, and then came out and then got the printout from Proctor.
Sometimes the result look like if you book train tickets in IRCTC, if you go and see the ticket in the internet, you can't see which train, what's the train number, all will be in small font. That box will be small. Below that, advertisement will be this much big. Okay. The main information, you have to search what's the seat number there. Something IRCTC, PMI is closely related. They'll put small stuff. Man, increasing font size, will it kill you? 12 font size, 14
Yeah.
font.
I think at least that congratulations should be in a different color, or at least in a bold way, so that people will feel that. Yeah.
Somebody paid $500. Just give colorful congratulations. Anyway, that's fine. See, after hard work, when you see that kind of result, the joy is you can't even count it. That's really, really great. Okay, great. Good job, people. You did a great job. I'm so happy for you. How do your family feel about it? Are they excited?
Yes, definitely. They are very happy because last 1 month, because now I'm at my native, so I have with me my parents. So once we start, I think the prepcast exams were really helpful. So we needed a lot of practice, and main thing is sitting 4 hours at a stage was very difficult. So we practiced that with the practice test. So I used to go into the room and then close the door and then say, okay, no one should enter this room. And my wife used to tell, if anybody goes there, no, 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 don't go there, don't go there. He's writing exam.
Wow.
So
So tell me, your family surprised with you. What happened to this guy? Last 2 months reading like this.
yeah, they were like, my father was asking, like, why are you writing exams now? And my son comes and asks, yesterday I had this a surprise test from my madam. So today you have surprise test. Why are you writing exam today? Something like that he used to ask, and then I had to explain him. And yeah, it was very good experience. Blocking everybody not to enter into the room, and then after 4 hours I used to come, and then my wife will first slowly come and ask, how was the exam? Did you pass? I say, yeah. Then she will ask, what is the percentage?
Wow.
After I say, then like she was okay, okay. And after second exam, she started questioning. So did you cross your first exam's percentage, or you go back?
God, man. Thank God. She's playing the role. What I have to do there. Okay, that's good. You have a person there.
Yeah, yeah, it was very good.
Yeah.
That's good. How is she's at your home? People scared at you?
Yes, Sriram, they were surprised actually to see I am spending so much of time in studying and then writing the exams. And they were even surprised when I'm sitting for the complete weekend for a class as well. That much time sitting in the class was also surprising to them actually.
They would have thought you're
And
watching.
at the end, yeah, they're very happy that
You see,
yeah.
weekend, it's not sure you're watching the classes, right? You may be watching some Netflix movie.
Yeah. so so like that, I think they were surprised that we're studying, and they were also very happy at the end that okay, we passed as well.
That's good.
So it's all good at the end.
That's good. That's good. I know. See, some of the parents, some of friends says that, oh my God, I never seen you reading like this even in your college days. Because in college days, my dad paid the money. Why should I read? Now it's my money, man. I have to read. Yeah,
Yeah.
please counted.
Yeah.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
I think also it was like this one previously, as I said, I was like since last 1 or 2 years, I want to do, but like I was downloading lot of material and then trying to read. I didn't get that mood to start. Once I started paying the fees to the institute and then booked my exam, then I got okay, yes, there is something at stake, so I have to really study well. I have a milestone visible, and then I have to uh, get it through. So I think once we have this date, that really helps you to concentrate better.
Perfect. Perfect. Only pay the money, the fire is set.
Yes, yes.
You have to run. Pretty good. So now tell me how you are going to see this useful in your corporate.
Yeah, so as Sridhar already said, we are in currently just completing our technical line and then starting our management positions very early into it. So my role is currently a project lead. So I already look into a couple of my other colleagues who help me in doing my daily job. So it really helps me in understanding a lot of other management activities also. Yeah, it's good to have this certification and then all the skills.
Perfect. Perfect. Great. Great. Happy to know that. First of all, I want to thank both of you to spend time and give an interview together because this interview, more than knowledge, having a group helps a lot.
Yes.
But positive group. There should not be even
Yes.
one person starts getting doubt in the group, it will collapse, right? So you
Yes.
both should trust
Yes.
each other, telling that, hey, it will work, keep moving forward.
Yes.
The negativity shouldn't be there, it should be
Mm.
always positivity, right? That's very important. And also guide your friend to the right place where he or she is going down. You would tell,
Yes.
"Hey, that's wrong, man. The way you're reading is wrong. Read this way." So that's actually very genuine, good friendship. I'm so happy to see people. I have seen a few more friends who give interviews, but I
Mm.
like this kind of interviews because it's a hard to see friendship for good, positive purpose.
Yeah. That's true, Sriram.
You guys are
Yeah.
changing in the right way. I'm so happy for that. If you want to give some do's and don'ts for people for 2021, what do you want to tell in
Yeah,
PMP?
from my side, I think I have 2 points, Sriram, for everybody. So if anybody is attending the virtual training and not the classroom training, so I request them to go through the training videos one more time after the class.
Uh, uh,
They were really, really helpful. So the classroom content was really helpful, and majority, 60 to 70% of the content was discussed in the class itself.
mm,
And the
mm,
questions, whatever were shown in the class, were really effective.
mm. Okay, makes sense.
So
You have to listen.
those sets the yeah. So the questions set in the class and also the classroom information, whatever you have given, will cover 70% of the information. According to me, people can even clear the exam without touching a book.
Woo! That's much. PMI is going to chase me.
So they can just yeah. So my feeling is they can look at the videos one more time and then directly write the prepcast and analyze it with respect to PMBOK. Then people are ready to go for the exam more or less.
Perfect. That's pretty positive. Positive. Good. 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 Anything
Yeah.
don't or do's, Ramesh?
Okay, so from my side, I think it's almost same. So content was pretty much covered in the training session. What people has to concentrate is on scenarios. So most of people already know the subject. I think if you are already into the project management and you already have some experience, the major thing is scenario. You have to understand the scenario and on what basis they are trying to poke you. You have to understand that, and if you try to answer that in that way, it's very easy. The situational analysis was very helpful for us, and the prepcast really provided that. So if the question is straightforward, everybody will answer. But understanding the scenario and then answering it, that is what is the important thing.
Perfect. Perfect. Got it, Ramesh. I think really good. Sridhar, Ramesh. Ramesh, I have one tough question for you.
Yes.
Behind you, I'm seeing a lot of doors. Which door you'll open and go?
There is only one door actually. The
Oh,
other one is cupboard.
okay. It looks like PMP question. All doors look similar. Which one to open?
Yeah, exactly.
Yes.
But
Okay.
only one door will be there, which the candidate has to find out at the end.
Yes.
See, well experienced Ramesh, he found the door. Okay. Okay, got it, got it. Just stuff. Great, guys. Thanks a lot coming up here, and I'm sure you both of you missing Bangalore very much. Is it?
Yes,
Yes.
Sriram.
Yes.
What are you missing in Bangalore primarily?
Primarily missing office itself, office and the colleagues and the interactions.
True, man. That's true. Office environment is always fun, right? Chatting with them, talking to them, and you people
True.
miss the good weather of Bangalore.
Yeah,
Yeah.
The
yeah,
good
that
weather
as well.
Bangalore and roadside masala food. uh, if you people- and are you guys missing Bangalore traffic by any chance?
I think maybe because of this
Mm,
pandemic last 8 9 months, it was not that much. So since March, so we are
Yeah.
almost used to it. Now I'm seeing, okay, when we go back in Jan or February, how it would be.
Oh, they asked to come back with Jan Feb.
No, no, I mean, if everything starts, I think
Yeah.
some companies have already started. So there
Right.
is a traffic already.
Possibly, possibly. Right, great. Super. Once again, good wishes from Share Learning and team for your great success. Thanks for trusting us. That's very important. And thanks for trusting on yourself and putting all effort. You guys have put a 98% and we are given 2% from our side. And that's where the success happened, right? Even though we do trainings, material, coaching, all the stuff, it would be hardly 2%. It should be personal interest 98%, then only it will work, right? That's how it is. So very happy for you. Keep growing more higher and be good close friends as you are today.
Yeah. Thank you,
Thank you.
Sridham. And then thank you very much for you and also Rahul for all the support whenever we had doubt. I think while filling the the application also I had a lot of doubt. Okay, what about his first name, last name, whether it should match with the passport, how it should be, like a lot of questions. So I had asked Rahul many good questions, doubts. I think he was there to help always. And then also the group, what we have, the WhatsApp group. So always the questions are there. All the people are pretty much encouraging and then ready to help. When somebody posts a question and asks something, people are always there. Somebody is readily answering it. And then I think that group studies really helped a lot.
Perfect. Great.
Yeah, from my side. So thank you very much, Sriram and Rahul.
Great guys. Thanks a lot. Have a good time. We'll catch up soon. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Bye-bye.
Rahul. Thank you, Rahul, and then thank you, Sriram. Yeah, thank you, everyone. Bye bye.
Yeah.
See you. Bye.